Steinjager Portable Door Holder will hold JL, JK, TJ, or YJ factory and tube doors. If this is the first time putting the door holder together, you'll need to put the foam pads on. Using a spray silicone will help slide them on. Start by installing the 3 cross braces. Make sure the tubes are pointing up. You will only want to lightly snug the wing nuts at this point. Do the same for the other side. Now that the door holder is all together, go back and tighten all the wing nuts. You might notice a little shakiness at first. Simply install the alignment pin before installing your first door. The doors do become part of the structure. The easiest way to install the doors is to place the rear doors in the 2 inside slots first. When placing the front doors in the holder, make sure the mirrors are pointed outwards. As you can see, the portable door holder takes up very little space when transporting it. For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.